welcome to 5-Minute Yoga. Today we're going to be focusing on yoga for beginners, so a really nice simple flow to get you started in maybe the morning or to do before bed. So just standing, bringing your hands to your heart center and just breathing deeply, taking a moment just to calm the mind. Inhale and take your hands behind your back and really lift up the chest and open your throat center. Inhale, reach the arms up to the sky and exhale back down. Bend the knees, reach the arms up and exhale back down. We'll do this once more. And then let's bend our knees, coming into a chair pose, and just twist to the left. And then bring the arms up. Take a big inhale. Bring your hands to heart center. Reach up again. Take the hands behind the back again, really focusing on opening up the chest. Bring the hands up. Back to heart center, bend the knees and then open the arms to the right, really tucking the tailbone down and under. Okay, from here we're going to come into a nice forward fold, taking a really good bend in the knee, straightening out the legs if you feel that you want to, and then take hold of the elbows and really soften the neck. Relax the neck down and then place both hands on the mat and step back the left leg and then the right into an extended child's pose. Really take the knees wide, melt the heart to the floor and breathe deeply. And then from here we're going to do our cat-cow, brilliant for spine and to help regulate our breathing and the flow of the breath. So inhale, dip the pelvis down, exhale, inhale, really enjoy this time. Feel that nice stretch on the back as you round up into cat pose. Take it easy if you have lower back problems. And then we're going to curl the toes under and push up the hips into downward facing dog. Have movement, have softness in this asana. And take a really good bend in the knee. And breathe. We're going to step the right foot forward, coming into a low lunge. Curl the toe, the left toe under, and open up the chest and the heart. Keep the chin parallel. Look forward. And then coming up onto ball of the foot, just taking a bit of a stretchy low lunge. And then stepping forward into forward fold. And vertebra by vertebra, keeping that core nice and tightly, we stretch up. And we inhale again, bringing the hands to the sky, root to rise. And then hinge at the hips, forward fold, drop now, step back and drop that right knee down. And just breathe, maybe lifting the knee up and down so you're really stretching those hips. And then step the left foot back to meet the right, coming into our thunderbolt position. So sitting on our heels, opening the chest, and just do a roll with the shoulders. And then just parting the heels away now, turning the toes outwards into our hero's pose. And if this is a little bit uncomfortable on the knees, just grab a block and press and pop it under your bottom to lift up the hips. Take out the legs And then we're going to come into a reverse plank here. So lift the hips and then take and walk the feet in, lifting up into our reverse tabletop position. And this is absolutely brilliant for the back and the glutes. We're coming into bound angle pose now, so take both feet together, open the hips, sit up nice and tall. Cross the legs over, and then coming into an easy seated twist. Hand goes behind the hip. Again, therapeutic for the back. And then let's take both feet and see if we can just bring up the knees towards the chest into a modified version of embryo pose. Stretch the legs out. Inhale, coming into our forward fold. Keep a nice bend and softness in the knee. And breathe here. Again, reaching forward. This time, if you want to straighten the legs, you can do. But just be aware of the sensation on the lower back. And just coming into our easy pose. Take a big deep breath now. And you can take your Jana Mudra, your thumb and the first finger, and just be aware now of your breathing as you end your yoga practice. Thank you so much for watching, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel or join the Facebook group on the link attached.